I cannot move my legs right now. Something is holding us down here. Mia, please stay calm with me. I feel a chain around my ankle now. We need to get free quickly. I am starting to feel really scared.
Today is the big swimming competition. I feel so ready, very best team try.
I am so excited too, Leo. We trained really hard together. I know we can win this fair and square.
We really need to win this race today. I have a clever little trick ready. Leo and Mia will never even notice.
Perfect plan, Jake. Winning fair takes too long. Let's just make sure we win today.
I am ready for this first race now. I will swim as fast as I can. Good luck to you today, Jake. Just a tiny little slowdown here. Nobody will see this underwater. This is not fair, but it works.
We won the first race today. I knew our little trick would work.
Leo and Mia never even noticed. Something pulled my ankle down there. I feel confused about that race.
But let's just try again together.
We'd still win the second race, Leo. Let's train even harder right now. We are swimming so much faster now. All this practice really helps us. I feel ready for the second race. This time our trick will be bigger. I will link this chain to their ankles. They will not escape it easily.
This is the final race today. We trained so hard together. Let's swim our very best now, Leo.
Here we go, diving in now. I am swimming as fast as I can. I hope this race feels fair today.
I cannot move my legs right now. Something is holding us down here. Mia, please stay calm with me.
Wait, this chain has a small clip here. If we work together, we can open it.
Leo, please help me right now.
I found the clip right here now. Let's pull it open together, Mia. 1, 2, 3, now! We are finally free right now. I cannot believe we did that. Let's swim as fast as we can, Mia.
We lost some time down there, Leo, but we can still catch up now. Let's swim with all our strength.
Wait, how did you get free so fast? That chain should have stopped you. This cannot be happening right now.
The finish line is so close now. I can feel my strength growing. I will give this my everything today.
We did it! We really won this race! Even after that scary chain, we did not give up. I feel so proud right now.
This chain is not allowed in our pool. Someone used an unfair trick today. I need to know who did this.
It was us, Coach. I am sorry. We used the chain to cheat. Leo and Mia still won fair and square. Thank you for telling the truth, Zoe. I forgive you both, completely today. Let's race fair together next time.
You both won this trophy fairly today. Your brave teamwork earned this real victory. I am so proud of both of you.
We are the true champions today, Leo. Being honest and brave really paid off. This victory feels so much sweeter. Winning fair really feels much better. Cheating only made us feel worried. Next time we will just try honest.
Congratulations on your fair win today. You both really earned this trophy. I hope we can be real friends now. Today taught me something important. Even when things feel unfair, brave teamwork wins. I will remember this always.
What a memorable, brave day this was. Our whole team stayed honest together. I feel so proud of us today.
See you at the next competition, friends. We will train fair and hard now. Good luck to all of us today. Before we go, friends, we want to share something. Stay close, we have 2 quick things to tell you.
Thank you for your fair, brave swimming today. I am proud of this whole team now. This was a truly great competition.
Today was our best fun day ever. I am so glad we stayed honest together. Let's swim together again very soon.
Here is our tip, friends. True winners always play fair.
And remember, if something feels unfair, always stay calm and work together.
Being brave. Has someone ever tried to cheat against you? Tell us in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more brave stories.
Bye-bye, everyone. Stay fair and stay brave. See you in our next adventure.